Thank you for joining me for this quick stretch break. All right, let's give those hands and wrists a little bit of attention and have you start by pressing stop and take the opposite hand across your palm, gently stretching. Switching sides, stop. Other hand across your palm, gently stretching. Excellent. Now I'm going to have you bring one fist out, rotate it inwards, and rev your engine. Now, if that's not quite enough stretch, you can add the other hand to give you a gentle pull, a little bit of help. And if we're going to do it to one side, we better do it to the other. So bring the fist out, rotate in, rev your engine. And if that's not quite enough stretch already, add the other hand for help. Now taking both hands and rotate it out. Thank you for joining me for this quick stretch break.